Welcome to a new tutorial by Siltech. This time we will see how the POS module works. This is an easy and intuitive module for stores or restaurants. Let's access this module by clicking on POS. As you can see, the way this module is presented is very different from the rest of the program. Shortcuts and large keys, using a touchscreen, mean that you can charge quickly and intuitively, and conforms more to the needs of a store or restaurant. The screen is formed by green keys, which are all features of POS that we will see, gray keys, which are our products, a screen, where we see the details of our ticket, the name of the client you are going to make the sale, and a keyboard below. The program gives us two options. When entering in the POS module, the program will always ask for the name of the customer, or, by default, the ticket will print a generic name, which can always be changed afterwards. In this demo we have it configured to leave a generic name. To make a sale is as easy as clicking on the desired key. As you can see, the products are added to the screen of the ticket. I can add the product as many times as I desire. To include multiple units of a single product, I can click the same key 3 times, or use the keyboard by clicking 3 and the desired product. On the ticket screen you can see the difference. If you would like to apply a discount, I can use the keyboard, choose the desired discount, and press the % key. This will create a total ticket discount of 20%. If you would like to make a 20% discount only to a product, I choose the product and followed by the desired percentage. In this case, the discount will be applied on the product chosen. Let's go on to explain all the POS green keys. The button to exit the program returns us to the main page. The button to pay is obviously, once the products are added to the bill, to end with the payment of this. When we add several products and we click this key, different forms of payment appear. We would click cash, for example, and automatically this ticket appears as paid, and the ticket will be printed. The next key is to cancel. If we add products to a ticket, and then the client decides to cancel one of them, it is as easy as selecting the product, and clicking this key to cancel. The next key, select cash drawer, would be to apply this sale to a specific register. Tickets is a feature that allows us to see tickets that have been generated with the program. It is very useful to cancel a ticket already claimed. If we click, we'll go to the list of tickets. The last performed sales will then appear. If I click on the reference, we will open the ticket, and by pressing cancel, it would generate a return to the customer, as we can see in the upper right. The unknown product key is a useful tool for those businesses that have released a particular product and need to charge it quickly. A common example is when, in the restaurant, you ask for a sandwich with an extra something. To cash it, we will click on the unknown product key. On the next screen we will put in the concept that we will charge, in this case, a sandwich with egg. We choose taxes, in this case 10%, the subfamily, and how much to charge. Thus we have taken for a product that did not exist in our database. The next key, Edit Sale, is a useful feature when you want to change the price of an item. Sometimes it is difficult for us to know what percentage to charge in the end price, so the Edit Sale key would open the sale in a new format in which you can change the final price of the product as we want. At this point we can finalize the sale by choosing the method of payment and clicking Accept, or we can return to the POS to continue operating. The print key is required when a client asks us for the bill before paying. You will know that the ticket only comes out when the payment is complete. So if you are asked for the bill in the restaurant, how would you present a ticket? Print button, even before paying, will print the customer's receipt so that they can see the breakdown before paying. New ticket is evidently to start a new sale, or when we're doing a ticket and want to start over. products is another way to add items to our ticket. Earlier we saw how easy it was to press a key on a product to be added to the ticket. The keys displayed on the start window are those products that have been made available in configuration, and in the quick sale option we have marked it as yes. The problem comes when the club has so many products that do not fit on the main screen. What this products button does is browse through all our rates. First we show the families. Then the subfamilies of the option that we have chosen appear, and finally appear all products of this subfamily. In this step, we'll just press the desired product and add it to the ticket. This way of choosing the product is complete, but slow, and luckily we have other express ways to select products. Later we will see the fastest ways to add products to the ticket. Add bookings is a function to add a new booking to the ticket or one that is outstanding. We will create two examples. First, let's make a sale of an article and we will add a reserved track. We click the button, Add Booking, and we will open the schedule plan. We choose a random facility, a customer at random, and click OK. As you can see on the screen, it has added the details of a reservation. We will now create an outstanding booking. And now let's create a new sale, add an item, and we will add the reservation that is outstanding. Click on Add Booking, locate the outstanding reservation, and click Add to Ticket. Again, you can see how it has added to the pending reservation to the account. The program also lets you add to the ticket the debts of a particular customer. First, we should customize the ticket with the name of that customer. We will add a couple of products, and we will see if this client has something pending. We click Outstanding Payments key and see these debts. By just clicking on the debt or key, it will be added to the ticket along with the other products. The key charge ticket is a feature that allows us to download a ticket from the past. The last option, Search Product, is a very fast way to find our items. If we want to add, for example, 2 units of box of balls, go to the keyboard, press number 2, then we search for our product, we write the article we want, and when we choose it, we will see how it is added to the account. As you can see, this way is easier to navigate through products and their families and subfamilies. The fastest way to add products to the account, which does not visually appear on this screen, is the barcode gun. If we configure products correctly with the correct barcode, when we open the POS and scan the code, the products added to the ticket will appear as if we did click on the product. If we wanted 2 units of a particular product, press 2 on the keyboard, and then scan the product. We have the option, when making a reservation, to click on Pay with POS. This feature is useful when you want to add a product to that booking, or add a debt of that client. As you can see, the POS is a complete and very intuitive tool. It meets all the needs of a restaurant or store. In other tutorials we will store information such as reports, stocks, sales, etc. The important thing at this stage is to understand each of the features of this module, and then we can do our first practice. Well, with this we finish our POS tutorial. As always, if you have any questions, you can send us a support ticket which we will respond to as quickly as possible. Greetings and until next the tutorial.